Welcome to my channel AJ Studio. Today we are going to discuss how to install a C++ compiler on your mobile. So it's very simple. In your mobile, go to Play Store, just type C++ compiler, just search. You can see there are a lot of compilers, and better you go for offline compiler. When you are offline also you can try the code. So over here you can see coding C offline compiler. Just click on that, and here install button is there. Just click on install. It will take some time to install coding C++, the offline C++ compiler. And why I choose this one, because it's an offline compiler and you can run the code during offline also when you don't have net. Okay, that is a major advantage. And I have already shown how to code in C plus install offline compiler using C. This one is C++. Okay, so this is for C++ who want to learn C++. This is the best compiler. So open it. Okay, so it will take some time to open. Okay, and this is a simple program. You can see first line, that is ash include iostream, that is it's act as a stdio.h. okay, iostream, and you will use using namespace std to avoid naming convention and those things. So int main. Okay, even int main, inside that you have hello world. Okay, you have hello world. I'll change this hello world. Okay, I'll change the hello world. I'll type it as AJ Studio. Okay, AJ Studio I'll type, and yes, that's all. You can give /n, or else you can give even end line also here. Okay, so after that you run. Okay, it will compile. It will take some time to compile. You can see the compile result. Okay, AJ Studio. So after that, this is a simple way to run the program. Okay, and this is a way, and you can click menu, and you can do the settings of this also, whatever you want. Okay, and you can type the program however you like. Okay, so it's a very nice compiler who wants to learn coding C++. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to share, subscribe, as well as like. Thank you.